Hi there, weavers. Welcome back. This is Grace with Tangled Webs Weaving with a quick video on a unboxing of some yarn that I got. So if you subscribe to Handwoven Magazine, you probably got the fall issue a few weeks ago. And there are several projects in here that I am going to be weaving. So I thought I would show you some of them. So this one is a cute little basket, and I'm thinking that I can make this with some of the leftover yarn that I have from other projects. This is made with wool, so we're gonna go ahead and give that a try. And then this cute throw that is cotton. Oops. And I thought that this would be nice for the couch in the cooler fall months that are coming up. And then this one, this is the scarf from a pattern that is why not ask more of your dish towel warp. So this is a dish towel warp. There's the dish towels. And so you warp the whole thing, and then you can, and the warp is cotton. You weave the dish towels off with the cotton, and then you weave this beautiful scarf with silk. And I've got that coming from Jane Stafford up in Canada. And then I'm not sure I'll get to this one, but because it kind of depends on if I can get my 12 shaft loom working. So I have a Bergman loom and it's 12 shafts, but the 12 shafts don't work. The 8 shafts work just fine, but I've never been able to get the jacks to balance. It's a countermarch loom. I've never been able to get the jacks to balance when I warp it up with 12 shafts. So we'll see. But if I can, I want to weave this. This is another throw, and it's a turn twill on 3 blocks. And I may not use these colors. These are really bright, but we'll see. It looks like you can use up a lot of, it's a stash buster, definitely. So I may use different colors. And then these are napkins. I thought these are so pretty. So I'm gonna, that's some of the yarn that I got today. And then the last one is a runner and placemats. Now, placemats aren't included in part of the patterning here, but the dimensions are such that I'm gonna warp up extra, and then we can do placemats. So my friend Jill and I, because the runner calls for like 80 yards of this, of like 4 different colors, and we're like, okay, you have to buy 400 yards at a minimum. It's 3/2 mercerized cotton, I believe, and you need 80 yards, and it's like, that's just such an expense. So we decided to go in on it together. So she has finished hers, and she sent me the balance of her cones that she has. And so now I'm gonna warp up mine. But let's see what we got in the boxes. So this one is from Lofty Fiber, and I don't even remember what all I got. Oh yes, this is for the napkins. So the napkins are made with Euroflex. So that is so pretty. I love this green. And oh my gosh. All right, we're gonna have to unbox it all. And the orange. So these are, I'll show you the napkins again. Here we go. Okay, so there are the napkins. And so you can see it's made with white with these really nice colors as accents. These are really pretty. These are gonna turn out so nice. And I've worked with the Lofty Fibers Euroflex before, and it's really nice. So there we have. See if you can see all those. There we go. So those are going to be awesome. See if we can. There. All right. So then this box is from Yarn Barn of Kansas, and I tried to save up all my orders and combine them. I mean, these 4 projects are like, you know, several weeks worth of project. Oh yes. So this is also, so some of the colors I wasn't able to get at Lofty Fibers, and some I wasn't able to get at Yarn Barn of Kansas. So I save up. You can get discounts at Yarn Barn of Kansas. So if you buy, I think $250 or more, you get a 15% discount. So I try and save up what I'm buying. So there are the other 2 colors for that. All right. And I had a viewer, or actually a customer, who bought the little cocktail napkins, request them in other colors. And I thought that the falling leaves pattern for the runner, these would make great colors for those little cocktail napkins. So she was looking for specific colors. One of them was, oh, that really isn't as dark of a red as I was hoping, but this is 8/4 cotton, 8/4 carpet work. And so we're gonna do some, we're gonna work with this. This is, so I've got a couple of cones of a tan, and then I've got a cranberry and a eggplant. Stick these up here. Oops. So cranberry. Oops. All right. Oh, and evidently here's another. So see, this is the thing, is you have to buy, for some of these projects, you have to buy like a ton of just a small amount. And so Lofty Fibers has these in like 2-ounce sizes, which is awesome. All right. Oh yeah. So here's the one of the colors that she requested. And so I'm thinking this. So here's the cocktail napkins. So here's the cocktail napkins in a green. And so they've got a dark green and a lighter green, and then an off-white. And so I was thinking this would be the lighter green. And then we have black. And then this for the lighter color. I think that will look really awesome. And then I can do a version with those fall colors also. So hopefully I've got enough black, because I have a lot of ideas for these colors. All right, so what project is this for? 8/2 cotton. Oh, the charcoal. Is this for? Oh, I think that's for this project. So we have charcoal. Yes, that's what it is. Kind of a light blue, a green, and then I needed 2 charcoal. Okay. I'm running out of space. Oh, this is just like Christmas. A couple of the natural in 8/4, because you can never have too much 8/4 natural. And then this is 16/2. I think these are for the napkins, but I can't remember. So I'm gonna have to go, maybe it's for the blanket. You don't suppose. Well, I'm gonna have to go through my list and see what I bought for what projects, because I have it all listed out. So stay tuned for a whole bunch of new projects. I'm really excited about this. So thanks for watching and happy weaving.